First open the Files app on your iPhone. Now find the MP3 file that is under 30 seconds long. Then press and hold on that file. Then tap Share. Then choose as a ringtone, and just like that your custom sound becomes your ringtone. Now open the Phones app on your iPhone. Now swipe left on the missed call. Then tap Call Back Reminder. After that you can choose when you wanna be reminded, like in 1 hour, tonight, and so on. Now your iPhone will remind you at the right time so you don't miss calling that person back. Sometimes when you record voice or audio or you are on a call, background noise can make the sound messy, but your iPhone can help reduce that. So while you are recording or on a call, just open the control center and tap on here and then choose voice isolation. What this does is it focuses more on your voice and reduces surrounding noise, so your recording will sound much cleaner and much more professional. Now let me show you a super useful keyboard trick that makes editing text much easier. When you are typing a message or writing something and you want to move the cursor to a specific spot, it can be annoying to tap on the screen again and again. Instead, simply touch and hold the spacebar on the keyboard. The keyboard will instantly turn into a trackpad. Then you can slide your finger and move the cursor exactly where you want it. And while we are talking about typing, here are a couple of quick keyboard tricks that many people don't know. If you double tap on a word, your iPhone will select that word instantly, and if you triple tap, it selects the entire paragraph. Finally, let's look at the very cool screenshot trick. After you take a screenshot, open it and tap the pen icon to enter markup mode. Then tap the plus icon and choose the lobe, which is the magnifier tool. This allows you to zoom in on an important part of the screenshot. Now let's move to the next one. Open settings, go to camera, and now turn on lens cleaning hints. So before you take an important photo, your phone reminds you to clean the lens. Now let's move to a quick and very smooth gesture inside Safari. Just swipe up from the address bar. Instantly the tab view will open and you can see all your tabs. This makes switching between websites much easier and faster without tapping multiple buttons. Next one is really relaxing feature that many people absolutely love. Your iPhone actually has built-in ambient music that can play directly from Control Center. First open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your iPhone. Then tap the plus button to add controls. Now tap Add Control. Now search Ambient and now choose one of the options you like Sleep, Chill, Productive, or Well-being. Once you add it, just tap on it to play the ambient music. Now I'm gonna show you a very smart way to share your Wi-Fi password without telling someone the actual password at all. Just open the Passwords app on your iPhone, unlock it with Face ID or passcode, then tap Wi-Fi and now choose your network, then press and hold on that network, then tap Show Network QR code. After that, your friend can simply scan the code with their phone and connect instantly to your Wi-Fi. Now let's move to the next one. Open your iPhone settings again, then go to camera, then turn on Use Volume Up for Burst. After turning this on, open the camera app and simply press and hold the volume up button. Your iPhone will quickly capture many pictures in a row, so you can later pick the best shot. This makes it much easier to capture the perfect moment. Now finally, let's look at the really helpful trick for people who like to listen to music or watch videos before sleeping. Sometimes you fall asleep and the audio keeps playing all night, but your iPhone can automatically stop it for you. Just open the clock app and go to timers, set the time you want, then tap when timer ends, scroll all the way to the bottom and select stop playing. Now when the timer finishes, your music or video will stop automatically. So yeah, these are some really useful iPhone tricks that can make your phone smarter, more relaxing, and much easier to use every day. And honestly, once you start using them, you'll see how convenient your iPhone can really be. And if you'd like to learn more simple iPhone tips and tricks like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.